So now I want to know how to take people from Instagram and sell them into your products, because it's great to have all these followers.
Sure.
But if they're not moving into our actual sales funnel, then, what's the point? And so talk to us a little bit about your strategy of taking them from Instagram and moving them into your products.
Yeah, so Instagram has some really great things right now that are going to help you. So first of all, they are really okay with DM automation. So I use ManyChat. Maybe you've heard me talk about that, but ManyChat, and there's other ones that do this, but ManyChat is a way that you connect it to your Instagram. It's Meta Business verified, and you can do, it's like if someone says, comment this, and I'll send you this in your DM, that's through ManyChat automation, okay? Now, the cool thing about this is you used to only be able to be like, go click in my bio. Well, that's really disruptive if someone's scrolling, right? And so what you do instead is you have them comment a keyword, and then when they comment that, they get it in their DM. So when they're ready, when they're not in the scrolling, but they're in their DM mode, then they can get your email list. Okay. Get that link to get on your email list. Yep. So how I've been doing this, and I've gained tens of thousands of email subscribers through doing this, is I will do transitional selling posts, which is this is what it looks like. So if I have one of my best performing opt-ins is 131 hooks. So you can get this paper. It says all the hooks that you need for a long time, right?
And it's a freebie.
Okay. Yep. It's a freebie. Yep. So I will create a piece of content and I'll say, here are your 5 hooks for your content this week.
Okay.
If you want all of my hooks, comment hooks, and I'll send you the rest of them, 131 of them.
Yep.
So that is a bite-sized, really helpful piece of content that people will share, they'll save, right? So that's great. And then they want more of it.
Yep.
And so they comment hooks, and then they get on my email list.
Okay.
And so you can do that with freebies. You can do it with products. You can do it with a lot of things. It's never been easier to get people from Instagram to email or to your product because of this DM automation.
Okay. And what's great about that too for our listeners is that you're double dipping in that too, because you're getting engagement by them sending you a DM, maybe saving your post, and then you're also getting them on your email list. So rather than them just kind of seeing your post and going to your bio, if that would ever even happen, because you lose them a lot in that transition, they're also commenting. And then you can start to have a conversation with them too, if you want to take it a step further. And so just for our listeners, these ManyChat automations can be really valuable in building connection with your audience as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And it also, as you use them, it's going to push out your content more, right? Because if there's a lot of engagement and a lot of shares, and that engagement is awesome because it's easy for your audience to do. They don't have to sit and think about, it doesn't have to be heartfelt. It's just like, oh, I want the hooks guide, so I commented hooks, right?
Okay.
You're telling them exactly what to do.
Yep.
And it makes it easy for them to do it. So, and then that boosts engagement, which pushes out your content.
Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.